Welcome to Steel Canyon High School's video tutorial of the 2019-20 online course request process. We recommend that parents work with their students to complete the online course request. We'll begin by going to the Students tab of the Steel Canyon homepage and selecting the Student Portal in the drop-down menu. The online course request process is only available through the Student Portal, not through Parent Portal. Students will sign in using their Google account. Before you begin the online course request process, we recommend that you review your transcript to ensure you're selecting the right class levels for next year. You may also want to review your course descriptions with the links provided via email. After reviewing your transcript, click on the course request link. Students will see a different course request title at the top depending on what grade level and classes they are currently in. Please make note of the deadline to submit your online course requests. All students will meet with their counselor or academic advisor to review course requests and get any questions answered. Parents will also be offered an opportunity to meet with their student's counselor or academic advisor to review course requests. Now let's begin the process. All students must make 7 course selections, one from each of the following areas: humanities, math, science, ENS, world language or elective or no block, and study hall TA or no block. In the humanities section, you may select college prep or AP humanities. In college prep humanities, when you select world history, you'll automatically be enrolled in college prep English, as these classes are paired together. Notice when you select one choice, the other option grays out. If you feel like you've made a mistake, you can click on it and select Clear Choices and refresh your options. In AP Humanities, you may only select AP World History. When you select AP World History, you will automatically be enrolled in Honors English, as these classes are paired together. Be sure to click the Save Changes button on your choices. The yellow button will turn green when the courses have been selected. In the Math section, you may select from College Prep or Honors Math. Please read the class recommendations at the top before making your selection. In the Science section, you may select Integrated Science or Chemistry. In the ENS2 section, please select both a first choice and a second choice. In the World Language or Elective section, select a world language if you need to complete the language requirement for 4-year college admission. A minimum of 2 years of the same language is required, but 3 is recommended. If you have completed your desired number of language years, you may select another elective. Electives are listed alphabetically, so please look carefully at all choices. Please select a first and a second. In the electives or no block section, you may choose an additional elective or have no class in block 1 in fall or spring, which means a late start at 9:15, or no block 4 in fall or spring, which means you would get out of school at 12:30. If you would like to have a no block 1 or 4 in both fall and spring, please let your counselor or academic advisor know when you meet with them. In the study hall TA or no block section, study hall is only a placeholder title to allow students to find a TA position once school begins. You may fill a block with a TA class or have no block 1 or 4 in fall or spring. Again, if you would like to have no block 1 or 4 in both fall and spring, please let your counselor or academic advisor know when you meet with them. When you are finished selecting all of your classes, please review your sections, correct any errors, and submit course requests at the bottom. Once your course requests have been submitted, you will not be able to make any changes until you meet with your counselor or academic advisor. Thank you for using the online course request system. We look forward to meeting with you to review your courses for next year.